Okay, what we got here is a module from ariel-pixel, and it is 3D printed, but it is a fantastic device for the Osmo Pocket. It is the Wi-Fi module adapter that you can put on a tripod. What do I mean by that? That's a lot of words. This is what I mean. So on the bottom, you see a tripod mount. You put that on your little tripod. Well, if you want to know what this is a Gorilla Pod. We did a unboxing of this a little while ago. I'll try to put the thing up in the corner somewhere, the little eye that you can push on, and also in the description below for those of you who are watching this on like a Roku or smart TV or something where the little eye dots don't come up. Okay. But anyway, this attaches to a tripod. Then you put your Wi-Fi adapter, which we also went over a little bit in the past, and you put it on your DJI Osmo Pocket. And that slips right in to the side, just like that. Of course, the close-up's going to be up here in the corner. And it's really neat design. I really love this thing because, again, it just slips in the side, very easy to get it off. This front part, you just pull back slightly and it pops right out. Fantastic design. I love it. And it is really in there very secure. I mean, it's not going anywhere. So, you know, for as expensive as these things are, you want this thing to be to be on there good. Now, the way they designed it, the power light, you can still see through a little hole right here, which is wonderful. You have a GoPro attachment on the back, right there, which is great. You can attach all your GoPro items. So if you don't want to put this on a tripod, if you need to put it on a GoPro attachment, you can right there. It also, on the back, on top of the GoPro attachment, it has a port for charging. So it does not cover up the charging port for the Wi-Fi adapter, in other words. So that is fantastic. That is not covered up. I like that. So you can go ahead and videotape, have this thing on the tripod, have a external power supply hooked up to it. Fantastic. I love it. And also on the side here, you have this little indentation that holds, you know, that little thing that sticks out up here, that adapter, either a firewire, I forget what they call it, but anyway, that little adapter that hooks to your phone, it actually has a place for it right there. So you don't lose it, which is fantastic for me, especially with my neuropathy and losing little things. That's a good thing for me. I like that a lot. So that is the ariel-pixel's Wi-Fi adapter thingy. I've got the official title right down here, so you see it. It's a very long title, but it's a good product. So I also put that link down below so that you can go to the company that does this, order it, easy peasy. It actually came in about a week, if that. So they are very quick shippers, especially here in the United States. I don't know what else to say about it. I mean, it is really a lifesaver. I really like this thing. This is the best attachment, I think, accessory that I bought so far. So that's about it. Again, if you could please like, comment, and subscribe. that would be fantastic. And as always, have a great day.